In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase GTA 5 from Steam. We'll walk through opening Steam, finding the right game page, checking the details, completing your purchase, activating your key if needed, installing the game, and linking your Rockstar Social Club account so you're ready to play. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and signing into your account. Make sure it's the account you want to own the game on, since purchases are tied to that login. Head to the Store tab at the top. In the search bar, type Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced and select the official game page. Take a moment to review what's included, any addition notes, and regional pricing so you know exactly what you're getting. When you're ready, click Add to Cart, go to your cart, and choose Purchase for myself. Pick your preferred payment method: credit card, PayPal, or another supported option. Carefully enter your payment details, confirm your billing info, and complete the checkout. Wait for the confirmation screen and any email receipt. Keep that email in case it includes a product key that you'll need to redeem. Next, in the Steam menu, go to Games and choose Activate a Product on Steam. If you received a product key in your purchase email or receipt, paste it here and follow the prompts to confirm. Some purchases are automatically added to your account without a key, but if you do have one, this is where you redeem it so it's properly linked to your library. After activation, open your library. You should now see Grand Theft Auto 5 listed. Click Install to start the download. The download is large, around 105 GB, so make sure you have enough disk space and a stable internet connection. You can monitor progress in the downloads view, pause if you need bandwidth for other tasks, and resume anytime without losing progress. When the download finishes, click Play to launch the game. On first launch, you'll be prompted to link your Rockstar Social Club account. Sign in or create an account and complete the link so your progress and online features work properly. Follow the on-screen steps. This only needs to be done once and ensures your game saves and online access are set up correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching.